Hello! In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the mouse interactions within Materialise Magics. Understanding the mouse functionalities helps you perform tasks seamlessly and take full advantage of our software capabilities. Let's look at the different mouse features in Magics. First, let us talk about how to select a part. Just click directly on the part you want to select, and you'll see that the selection point changes to white. To deselect, just click anywhere in the scene. You can also select and deselect parts in the part list using the checkboxes. Tick the box to select, untick to deselect. Need to select multiple parts? No problem. Just click and drag over the parts you want. Or, hold down the Control key while clicking on each part to select multiple items at once. To zoom, you can hold the scroll button and zoom in and out of the part. Next, to pan your view, hold down the scroll button and move your mouse around. Keep in mind that this doesn't change the part's location in the coordinate system. Think of it like moving a camera around to get a different angle of the part. Be aware that you're not actually moving the part itself. Let's look at rotate view of the part in 2D and 3D. You can rotate the view by holding the right mouse button and moving your mouse around inside the circle. This lets you rotate in 3D. If you right-click outside the circle, you'll be rotating in 2D instead. Just like with panning, rotating doesn't change the part's location in the coordinate system. If you do want to move the part, just right-click on it to bring up the context menu. In the context menu, you'll find Translate and Rotate functions, along with other relevant features depending on the scene. For example, the features in the context menu differ slightly depending on whether you right-click on a part or in the scene. This also applies to the platform scene. There are different features in the context menu, as you can see. If you want to learn more about customizing the context menus, check out our tutorial, How to Customize Your UI. Speaking of customization, if you want to invert the zoom in and out options on your scroll wheel, it can be easily done. Go to Options and Help ribbon, click on Settings, and then Flip Mouse Input for Zooming In option. You can also tweak the size of the circle for 2D and 3D rotation here. Try them out to discover how easy it is to master these functionalities. Be sure to explore other tutorials for more exciting Magics features by subscribing to our YouTube channel or visit the Magics Educational Hub at the Materialise Academy.